I would say that if you're looking for something that's very personal, that's something that you want to do or experience, you can do that with Audrey, as opposed to being in a canned, stereotypical type of a tour where you're just being on the highlight. Her cultural experiences really drives something that's special as opposed to something that is ordinary and very generic. This was very in-depth, and it really created a much more fulfilling experience on all levels. And I'm not saying just from a personal level with the ancestral background, but more importantly, the food, the views, all the detail from the very beginning, from early on in history to to today. The cultural experience was a wide range, and you got a full view of feeling what Friuli is all about. So I would recommend that anybody who wants to experience something outside of the norm and go off the beaten path, so to speak, this would be the type of tour I would recommend.
I'm going to echo everything Frank said. If you really want to feel that you're a local, traveling with a local, it didn't feel like we stood out as American tourists. We ate. I have to say, the food. And a funny thing that would happen is, when Audrey would order something, or Manlio, and it would arrive at the table, we would be like, oh, it was, that sound of everyone being so impressed, and it was something you would not get. We would never get that on our own, and I don't think you could get that without traveling with a local person who wanted to share that with us. So, highly recommend.
I would 100% recommend Travels with Audrey because the experience was just phenomenal. Getting to see these off the beaten path places, getting to eat at local restaurants, having a translator with you all the time, having people who can help guide you with choices that you need to make, what you need to do in different cities, what you should go visit. It was just an incredible experience.
I would absolutely recommend using Travels with Audrey. I would 100% come back and do another trip with her. This was an experience unlike anything I've ever done, and we've gone to some fun places. The experience that Audrey can give you if you want to see a lesser known part of the world that is so incredibly interesting, from food and wine and culture and history. It's in a very small geographical area. Within 2 hours, every place we went. This is something that is absolutely, I would recommend 100%.
And I would say we looked to see what opportunities we had, and Travels with Audrey was really virtually the only one that came up which seemed to be personalized. There are a lot of websites you can go to that offer you wine experiences and this experience, and it's 60 euros a person, and it's 3.5 hours, and etc. But that's not a personalized tour. That's you going and selecting like a Chinese menu of things that you may want to see, and the chances are that's going to be one of those where there are 20 people, and that's not really a personal experience. So she has put together something which is unique in this area.